Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you people are doing absolutely fine. So I know that we have been quite inactive in YouTube for a long time, but hey, we are back, okay? And from now on, I'll be sharing my live trades and my different watch lists. So stay tuned. So today's video is going to be quite special because I'm going to share with you a few stocks that have given multi-year breakouts, meaning these stocks have been forming some pattern for quite a long time and now they have given a breakout. So you can expect good rallies in these stocks for the coming months. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So the first stock is Tech Mahindra. Okay, so let me open the first 1 month time frame. So Tech Mahindra has given a breakout, you can see here, and it has been in this pattern for like quite a long time. Okay, so this is the breakout, and if you see the weekly time frame, after breakout it gave retracement and then has been forming this pattern. So these trades are purely based on price action, okay, nothing else, purely price action trades. So it has given this breakout, and in the daily time frame you can see it's going pretty well. Okay, so you can expect good moves, and when I say good moves, I'm not talking about 10-15%. You can expect more than 50% rallies in these stocks. Okay, so these are not calls, okay, these are just analysis, and you can choose whichever stock you like based on your analysis. So moving on, so this is the daily time frame, and guys, because this is swing trade, don't keep tight SL like here or somewhere here. Okay, you need to minimum keep up at least here or below this, because in swing trade you never know when the move comes, so you just have to wait patiently. So moving on with the next stock. The next one is Concur. So Concur has given a beautiful breakout. Okay, let me open. You can see it in the weekly time frame itself. So this is the breakout it has given. Okay, and currently you can see it's coming back, but what you can do here is, this might be a retracement, so you shouldn't enter directly. Instead, in the daily time frame, you wait for some reversal patterns. Okay, just like here how it had formed a bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, wait for any pattern, any bullish pattern to occur, or wait for it to reverse back, then you can consider taking an entry. So this is the second stock. You can expect good moves in Concur too. Okay, so moving on to Grasim. So in the monthly time frame, it has given a breakout like this. If you put like this, okay, it's not yet clear though. And if I open the weekly time frame, we want a daily. Okay, so here you can see this pattern, a symmetric triangle. So what you can do here is wait in the weekly time frame, let it give some good green candles, okay, showing that it has already given a breakout, and then you might consider taking a trade here. So even this is a massive breakout, because you can see this pattern has been forming for more than 10 years, right? So this is the third stock. So moving on, the next stock is MSFL. If you see the monthly time frame, it has given this breakout. Okay, so let me open the weekly time frame. Cool, so this is the pattern you can see here, and after breaking out it also retraced back. Okay, so it has been in this zone for quite a long time, for a few months, and now it has given this breakout. So yeah, this is a good opportunity. I feel you can expect some really good moves in the coming months if you can hold the stock for like maybe 3 to 6 months. So that is MSFL. Try getting in the if you want to enter in a lower range, try entering in a lower range and keep a wide SL. Okay, this is not day trading, so you got to keep your SL more wider. So moving on with Reliance Industries. Reliance has given this good breakout, and now we can see it has it had formed a triangle pattern, and again it has given a breakout. So in the daily time frame you can see it clearly. So once it breaks this level, this zone, you can expect good moves. So these stocks I have shown you are mainly for swing and positional. Okay, so do make your own analysis before taking trades, and also let us know what you think about these stocks in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.